Randoms. Hey, I apologize. I forgot to do our randoms. So we've got the Twins and the Mets. Twins, Mets. Johan Santana. Gonna go 3 times. Once with the Mets. Twice the Twins. And the last time, gonna go to the Minnesota Twins off of that one. Minnesota Twins on that one. Minnesota Twins on that one. If the thing wants to zoom in at all. Crazy thing. Minnesota Twins. Minnesota Twins. Next one, we've got the Braves and the New York Mets. Braves, New York Mets. Tom Glavine. Braves, New York Mets. See if the Mets can win this one. Mets up top. Braves up top. And the New York Mets on that one. So Tom Glavine and the New York Mets taking that one. Tommy Glavine, New York Mets. There we go. So the other one was focused. Tom Glavine, New York Mets on that one. New York Mets on that one. And then the last one we've got is Prince Fielder, Brewers, Tigers. Prince Fielder, Brewers, Tigers. Brewers, Tigers. Once the Brewers, twice the Brewers again, and the last time. Going to go to the Milwaukee Brewers, staying with the Brewers team on that one. So, Milwaukee Brewers on that one. Prince Fielder. So that's what we got tonight, guys. I'll get these uploaded on YouTube, and I'll see you guys tonight.